Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss exercise 8.2 of class 8 from question number 2, and question number 2 is Kamla borrowed rupees 26,400 from a bank to buy a scooter at a rate of 15% per annum compounded yearly. What amount will she pay at the end of 2 year and 4 month to clear the loan? And hint is given in this question, and hint is find amount for 2 year with interest is compounded yearly, and then find SI on second year amount for 4 upon 12 years. So as it is in the question, given the question that principal is rupees 26,400, rate 15%, time 2 year and 4 month. First we have to calculate compound interest for 2 year, and formula for compound interest is A is equal to amount is equal to principal 1 plus rate upon 100 whole power t. Then we will put value from the question, and we have principal is rupees 26,400, rate is 15%. So first we have to calculate 15 upon 100. After reducing this portion, we have 23 by 20 and whole power is 2. Then we will multiply 23 by 20 by itself, and then we will multiply it by 26,400. After calculating this portion, we have amount for 2 year is rupees 34,914. Now we have to calculate interest for 4 month. So first we will convert 4 month into year. As we all know that 1 year is equal to 12 months, so 4 month is equal to 4 upon 12 year. Now we are going to apply formula of simple interest, and formula of simple interest is P multiply by R multiply by T divided by 100. After substituting value from the given information, we have interest at the end of 2 year 4 month is rupees 1,745 rupees and 70 paisa. So total amount is 34,914 plus 1,745 rupees 70 paisa. And for calculating total interest, we have to subtract principal from amount. So we have rupees 10,259, and it is the interest for at the end of 2 year 4 month. Now move to our third question. Third question is Fabina borrowed rupees 12,500 at 12% per annum for 3 years at simple interest, and Radha borrowed the same amount for the same time period at 10% per annum compounded annually. Who pays more interest and by how much? So students, it is given in the question that Fabina borrowed money at simple interest. So first we have to calculate simple interest that she gave. It is clear from the question that principal is rupees 12,500, rate 12%, and time period is 3 years. Now first we are going to calculate simple interest, and formula of simple interest is principal multiplied by rate multiplied by time divided by 100. After putting value from the question, we get rupees 4,500, and it is the simple interest that Fabina paid. Now it is given in the question that Radha borrowed same money at the rate of 10% for 3 years, but she borrowed this money compounded annually. So here we have to calculate amount for this time period. So amount is equal to principal multiply by 1 plus rate upon 100 whole power t Then we substitute value from the question, and after calculating this portion we have rupees 16,637 rupees and 50 paisa. For calculating compound interest, we have to subtract principal from this amount. So we have 16,637 rupees 50 paisa minus 12,500 rupees, and compound interest is rupees 4,137 rupees 50 paisa. So it is clear from the question that Fabina pays rupees 4,500 and Radha pays rupees 4,137. So Fabina pays more interest by 362 rupees 50 paisa. Next question is, I borrowed rupees 12,000 from Jamshed at 6% per annum simple interest for 2 years. Had I borrowed this sum at 6% per annum compound interest, what extra amount would I have to pay? So in this question, 12,000 is principal, 6% is rate, and 2 years is the time period. First we note down all the information that is given in the question, and it is given in the question that principal is rupees 12,000, rate is 6% and time is 2 years. First we have to calculate simple interest. So simple interest is principal multiplied by rate multiplied by time divided by 100. After substituting value from the question, we have rupees 1,440. It is the simple interest on rupees 12,000 at the rate of 6% for 2 years. Now we have to calculate compound interest also. For this, first we have to calculate amount, and formula of amount is 1 plus P multiplied by 1 plus R upon 100 divided by N. Here principal is rupees 12,000, rate is 6%, and after calculating this portion we have rupees 13,438 rupees and 20 paisa. For calculating compound interest, we have to subtract principal from the amount. So we have rupees 1,483 rupees 20 paisa. After that we have to calculate difference between compound interest and simple interest. So it is rupees 43.20 paisa. Now fifth question is, Vasudevan invested rupees 60,000 at an interest rate of 12% per annum compounded half yearly. What amount would he get after 6 months, after 1 year? So it is clear from the question that principal is rupees 60,000, rate is 12% per annum. For calculating compound interest half yearly, we have to divide rate by 2, and rate is 6% for half year, and time is 6 months, means 1 half year. Amount paid after 6 months is principal multiplied by 1 plus R rate upon 100 divided by time. So here we substitute value of principal, rate and time from the question, and we have 60,000, it is the principal, 6% it is the rate, and time is 1. After calculating this portion, we have rupees 63,600. It is the amount paid after 6 months. Now we have to calculate amount paid after 1 year. For this, in the place of time we have to put 2, because in 1 year it means 1 year is equal to 2 half year. So amount paid after 1 year is equal to rupees 67,416.